Good afternoon and happy hiking Monday.
Hello.
We are on President's Day.
We're out in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. We are doing the Cathedral Falls Trail today. It is a 4.1 mile, 646 feet elevation. It's a beautiful hike. We did this about four or five years ago or something like that with the kid. And
right outside of Morton.
Yeah. It's gonna be a beautiful hike. Hopefully the rain stays off. Might see some snow. There's some right there. But let's go.
Do it.
What the heck, people? Jeez. Oh my God. I forgot how cool this place was. Got it. Got it.
Why would you do this?
Really, Karen? Stupid idiot. What an amazing waterfall. Holy cow.
So the waterfall's only actually a mile into the hike, and then it goes up for another mile to a split, and there's really nothing to see up there. It does walk along the river, which is pretty, but we're not gonna go creek. We're not gonna go up that far, so we're gonna turn around at the waterfall and head back and go scout some campsites. So yeah, it's beautiful. And you get to see more than just Cathedral Falls. There's so many waterfalls that are along this trail on the way up here, so definitely worth it. And back to the car. And back to the car. We made it. What a fun little Monday adventure we had today at Cathedral Falls. So many waterfalls just besides Cathedral Falls on the way there.
Man. The green.
So beautiful.
The green, the water.
The moss.
The weather. Amazing. It
was so nice to get out and have a breath of fresh air this morning or this afternoon. But now, after our 2.33 mile hike, and 554 feet elevation gain. We are going to head up towards Randall and see if we can find and scout some camp spots. For some camping adventures coming up that aren't buried under how many feet of snow? 5
10,
feet of snow. Yeah, you know.
15. But.
All right.
Let's go. On to the next,
on
baby.
To the next.
Oh, that's a boost.
Pretty little spot. Have to build a bigger fire pit.
What a view. I guess the road stops. What do you think? Sweet. All right.
Cool.
On to the next.
Hey, we found one finally.
What? A campsite next to a river with no snow? Check. Another one on the map. Number 3 site. Not bad. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Cool, but
nope. That's it.
What a fun adventure day.
Yeah.
Not only a hike, but we found some awesome campsites in the Giff.
Didn't get soaked too bad, and
no, didn't snow, didn't get rained on.
No.
Perfect Monday. I don't know what we have planned next, but we have something. So thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures. And we'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Go for it.
Look, somebody built your bridge.
What? What an amazing waterfall.
Great.
Cool.
Time to turn around.
Hey, how are ya?
Hey, how are ya?
Oh, all right.
I'm freezing. Wait, do I have to go like that and take it away?
Yep, no driving up here. This is Yellow Jacket Creek, which flows into the Cispus River.
Very pretty. I like it.
Yeah.
It's on the water.
Yeah.
I think I see Bigfoot up there. He's up there having fun, bathing. That's good. They don't stink us out.
Yep. I think this is on the map.
Yeah, I like that spot down there. Sweet. All right. We got some stuff to read up here. Oh, we got a one room shitter up here.
But hey, it's optional.
But hey, it's not closed.
There's no gate.
So number 3.
Yay.
I love it. Blue Lake. Blue Lake. Blue Lake. Oh, that was tough. One-handed. Great.
This is how I'd rather spend Mondays than working.
Hell yeah.